For expert advice, turn to Lowcountry Orthopedics and Sports Medicine.
Here at Lowcountry Orthopedics, we're committed to providing the most cutting-edge joint replacements for our patients. Two of those new techniques currently are robotics, which include Mako Robotics and Omni Robotics, and two of our surgeons are doing that at East Cooper and at Somerville Hospital. There's also custom knee replacements, in which a CT scan is used to develop a custom cutting guide and joint replacements for a patient that needs knee replacement. So those joint replacements are exactly fitted to the patient's bony anatomy, thereby cutting down on the amount of bone required to be removed, bone loss, and potentially quicker recovery in a more natural feeling knee.